4 in McLeodganj and यार काफ़ी धूप हो रही है आज. So we are going to Dharamkot for breakfast, and then plan is that from there we'll go for a hike to Nadi. And I know for a fact that I'm looking good because ये मांगे हुए कपड़े हैं. My brother's shirt jacket because I thought यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड होगी और मैं सब sweaters ले आई. But it's not. It's very sunny here. I'm legit wearing a t-shirt, inner, and this. Nothing else. No more layering. Came to this small home cafe in Dharamkot. This is right next to Zostel. That's Dharamkot village. And we are off to our hike to this small village called Nadi. So on our way to our hike to Nadi, we came across Dharamkot studio. It's actually a pottery studio and it has such a great vibe. Like, look at the products. They also take classes, so a lot of the stuff here were made by their students and it was absolutely beautiful. So our hiking plan has changed a little bit. हम लोग नदी नहीं जा रहे हैं because काफ़ी लेट हो गया है. We're going to, I think, halfway of it, some place, a spot actually where there are a lot of prayer flags. हम वहाँ जा रहे हैं. Stuck in a taxi cab. Nadi hike. It's such a beautiful trail. Another rain. Carefully intact. The trees. So I had done this hike before also, back in 2014 when I came to McLeodganj for the first time. Me, my brother, and some of our friends, we went for the hike, and I don't remember exactly, but at the end of this trail there's a river or a waterfall, and I went into the water. Although it was summers, but the water was super cold, like icy cold. It was a fun trail. I'll put pictures here if I can find those pictures, but beautiful trail. You can see the whole of McLeodganj from this trail. Not whole of, but yeah, this white thing, that's McLeodganj. And the mountains behind. Okay. This is beyond amazing. Wow. Imagine seeing so many prayer flags in middle of nowhere, with such an amazing views. Friends open doors. To pick the lock. Please don't walk away. When I light your cigarette. Two steps and you're in my head. So the hike, we came to this restaurant called Hot Yak for some food. We had great momos and some Tibetan dish, and it was amazing. So after the lunch, on our way back home, I saw this gorgeous sunset, and then I ended the day with some pizza. Last day here, and I have no idea where we are going today. Let's see. So we went to this place called Morgan's for pizza, and I didn't really vlog anything because we were with friends having a great time, and I didn't really want to vlog at that point of time. But it's a nice place, great pizzas. Now we are going to another cafe called the Cocoon Cafe. Let's see कैसा होता है वो. A pretty way towards Cocoon Cafe.
Carefully intact, the moments only pass.
Have to hike a bit to reach the Cocoon Cafe, and I'm definitely wearing the wrong shoes. Hiking के लिए निकले थे, trekking हो गई है by God ये. This is the Cocoon Cafe. The Cocoon Cafe is actually situated near Hayat, and it has a very chilled kind of vibe. Like, it's beautiful and very, very gorgeous, but I would prefer it for like food and all. We ordered some beverages and they weren't nice at all, so yeah, go there at your own risk. So we go down there and we're just walking. सारा सुबह का खाया पिया सब हजम हो चुका है. Now the plan is to go and sit in some other cafe and eat there. So back home after the whole day of eating, I legit went for breakfast, came after cafe hopping, and abhi bhi we have to go to friend's place in an hour, but I thought I have 1 hour, so I'll come back home and pack all the stuff because I'm leaving tomorrow early morning and चीज़ें काफ़ी फैली हुई है यहाँ पर. So I thought, just like do that. But look at the view. Such an amazing view. I hate packing. मैं पिछले आधे घंटे से बैठ के सिर्फ YouTube पे वीडियोस देख रही हूँ. कुछ नहीं पैक किया है मैंने. I came home to pack, but मैंने कुछ पैक नहीं करा है and I don't want to. I hate packing. I have to pack all of this, and this is my bag, some stuff. मतलब ये खाली है, ये सारा सामान इसमें जाने वाला है. This is my jacket. ये मेरा नहीं है. So mostly this is my stuff that I have to pack. After all the packing, we went to our friend's place in Lower Dharamshala, and on the way, I witnessed this gorgeous sunset. And here's my luggage all packed. So I left for airport the next day early morning, and you can see the gorgeous sunrise here. The way to Dharamshala airport is so beautiful. Like, look at that.
The moments only pass. Two steps and you're in my head. Chase me down with the.
But halfway to my airport, we got a lot of fog, and because of it, my flight also got cancelled. So, since I had another day to spend in McLeodganj, I decided that I want it to be a very chill day. So, that's what I did. I went to Ilitrati Cafe and played with this cute little puppy. His name is Cherry and he's 4 months old, but so cute and so enthu. I had a great breakfast at Ilitrati and then I went to Dharamkot studio to get myself a wind chime. This is actually made by them and it was so pretty. Also, I happened to had scooty that day, so I made sure that I take full advantage of it. Riding two-wheelers in mountains is such a fun thing to do. I wish I could do long rides, like literally I really want to do long rides. But yeah, it was fun.
Friends open doors.
I also visited the church there, but since it was a weekend and there were a lot of people there, I did not go inside. Like, look at the number of tourists. There were too many people, so I skipped it. And then, right beside the church is a cemetery, and I also went there. Like, this is from like outside the boundary, and that's the McLeodganj. You can see right in that's McLeodganj, and look at the view. Oh, and I also witnessed such an amazing sunset. Like I spent whole 1 hour just looking at sun and this amazing view.
Ragged seasons never change.
And I ended my last day here with a hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate at Ilitrati Cafe, so I had to had it. And I also met these two cute little puppies there, and yeah, they were like sleepy, so I didn't really play with them, but they were really cute. So next day, as I was about to leave for airport, I got a message that my flight for the day was cancelled again, and instead of waiting another day in the mountains, I decided to leave and say goodbye to these mountains. So I went to Amritsar by road, and from there I decided to take a flight to Delhi. And my friend had baked this amazing focaccia bread which I had for lunch on my way. Look at it, it's so pretty. And I also happened to have a really delicious chole bhature at Amritsar airport. And then that's my flight for Delhi, and just like that I landed at Delhi at 11 in the night. So this was part 2 of my McLeodganj trip. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week with a new vlog. Bye.
Seasons never